The timeless power of garlic, a deep dive into its wonders. Welcome to another captivating journey where we explore the secrets of nature's most fascinating creations. Today, our focus is on an unassuming yet extraordinary ingredient that has stood the test of time: garlic. From its ancient origins to its vital place in modern kitchens and medicine cabinets, garlic is a true marvel. Its creamy white cloves, pungent aroma, and unmistakable taste make it a cornerstone of culinary arts and a powerhouse of health benefits. But garlic is more than just a flavor enhancer. It is a symbol of resilience, a medicinal treasure trove, and a link between diverse cultures and eras. In this in-depth exploration, we'll uncover garlic's rich history, dive into the science behind its health benefits, and celebrate its versatility in both traditional and contemporary cuisine. Let's explore this unique universe of the beneficents. But first, check if you're already subscribed to the channel, because in this channel I will show a series of videos like this to improve your health. A journey through time. The ancient origins of garlic. Garlic's story begins thousands of years ago, dating back to ancient civilizations. Its earliest recorded use traces to Mesopotamia and ancient Egypt, where garlic was not merely a food item but a revered resource. Egyptian laborers who constructed the Great Pyramids were fed garlic daily, as it was believed to enhance their strength, endurance, and productivity. Hieroglyphics from the time depict garlic as both a dietary staple and a sacred offering to the gods. Garlic's influence didn't stop there. The Greeks were known to use garlic for both physical and spiritual strength. Olympic athletes consumed it before competitions, while soldiers carried garlic into battle as a talisman of protection and a cure for wounds. Romans, too, valued garlic for its medicinal properties, incorporating it into remedies for ailments ranging from respiratory infections to digestive troubles. Garlic's spiritual significance was equally profound. In medieval Europe, it was believed to ward off evil spirits and protect against vampires, a belief immortalized in folklore and literature. While such myths may seem fanciful today, they underscore the deep cultural impact garlic has had throughout history. The science of garlic, unlocking its health benefits. Modern science has only begun to unravel the myriad ways garlic contributes to human health. At the core of garlic's benefits are its bioactive compounds, primarily allicin and alliin. These compounds, which are released when garlic is crushed, chopped, or chewed, are responsible for its distinctive aroma and its wide-ranging medicinal properties. 1. A natural antibiotic. Garlic has long been recognized for its ability to fight infections. Allicin, its most potent compound, exhibits strong antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. In fact, during both World Wars, crushed garlic was applied to wounds to prevent infection, a practice that saved countless lives. Today, garlic is studied as a natural alternative to synthetic antibiotics, particularly in an era when antibiotic resistance is a growing global concern. 2. Immune system booster. Garlic plays a vital role in strengthening the immune system. Its compounds stimulate the production of white blood cells, the body's first line of defense against pathogens. Regular consumption of garlic can reduce the frequency and severity of colds, flu, and other infections, making it an invaluable addition to any diet. 3. Cardiovascular health. One of garlic's most celebrated benefits is its ability to protect the heart. Cardiovascular disease remains the leading cause of death worldwide, and garlic offers a natural way to mitigate risk factors such as high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Blood pressure regulation. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that relax blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing hypertension. Studies suggest that consuming garlic regularly can lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure by significant margins. Cholesterol management. Garlic helps balance cholesterol levels by reducing LDL, bad cholesterol, while raising HDL, good cholesterol. This dual action prevents plaque buildup in arteries and lowers the risk of heart disease and stroke. 4. Antioxidant power. Garlic is a rich source of antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress caused by free radicals. These unstable molecules can damage cells and accelerate aging, leading to chronic diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's. Garlic's antioxidants neutralize free radicals, protecting cells and tissues while promoting overall health and longevity. 5. Blood sugar regulation. Garlic is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or prediabetes. It enhances insulin sensitivity, enabling better glucose absorption by cells and stabilizing blood sugar levels. For those managing type 2 diabetes, garlic serves as a natural complement to conventional treatments. 6. Detoxification. In a world increasingly exposed to heavy metals and environmental toxins, garlic acts as a natural detoxifier. Studies show that garlic binds to toxic metals like lead, cadmium, and mercury, facilitating their elimination from the body. Regular garlic consumption can alleviate symptoms of heavy metal poisoning, such as headaches, fatigue, and hypertension. 7. Bone health. For women, especially those in postmenopausal stages, garlic offers unique benefits for bone health. Its compounds enhance calcium absorption and support bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties also make it effective in alleviating arthritis symptoms, improving mobility, and reducing joint pain. And then let me know in the comments if you already knew. I'll help you in the comments. Garlic in the kitchen, a culinary superstar. While garlic's health benefits are remarkable, its culinary versatility is equally impressive. Few ingredients can rival garlic's ability to elevate a dish, transforming simple recipes into flavorful masterpieces. Flavor enhancer. Garlic's bold, slightly spicy flavor enhances savory dishes like soups, stews, and sauces. Whether roasted, sautéed, or minced raw, garlic adds depth and complexity to any meal. Global staple. From Italian pasta and Indian curries to Chinese stir-fries and Middle Eastern dips, garlic is a key ingredient in countless cuisines worldwide. Its universal appeal transcends cultural boundaries. Affordable superfood. Unlike many superfoods that come with hefty price tags, garlic is widely available and affordable, making it an accessible choice for people of all economic backgrounds. Creative uses of garlic. Garlic's applications extend beyond the kitchen. Here are some unique ways to incorporate garlic into your daily life. Garlic tea. Brew a soothing tea with garlic, honey, and lemon to relieve cold symptoms and boost immunity. Garlic oil. Infuse olive oil with garlic for a flavorful cooking base or a healing massage oil for sore muscles. Skincare. Garlic's antibacterial properties make it a natural remedy for acne. Simply apply a slice of raw garlic to affected areas for a quick spot treatment. Garlic, a timeless gift of nature. Garlic's enduring legacy is a testament to its unparalleled value. It is a cornerstone of ancient medicine, a symbol of cultural heritage, and a modern-day superfood. From improving health and extending longevity to enhancing culinary creations, garlic is truly a gift from nature. Expanding the garlic universe, a closer look at its hidden wonders. Garlic's versatility goes beyond its direct culinary and medicinal applications. Its influence extends into areas you might not immediately associate with food. From agricultural uses to surprising home remedies, garlic continues to prove that it's not just a seasoning, it's a lifestyle enhancer. Garlic in agriculture and gardening. Garlic isn't just for humans, it's a valuable ally in agriculture and gardening, where it's used as a natural pesticide and soil enhancer. Natural pest control. Garlic's pungent aroma and sulfur compounds repel a variety of pests, including aphids, beetles, and even rodents. A simple garlic spray made from crushed cloves, water, and a touch of soap can protect plants without the need for harsh chemicals. Soil health. Garlic contains compounds that promote soil health by deterring harmful microorganisms. When planted as a companion crop, it benefits neighboring plants, enhancing their growth and resilience. Garlic in traditional and alternative medicine. Garlic has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine systems around the world. In Ayurveda, garlic is known as rasona, meaning lacking one taste, as it's believed to contain all 6 tastes except sourness. It's used to balance bodily energies, detoxify the system, and treat a variety of ailments. In traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, garlic is classified as a warming food that disperses cold and dampness from the body. Practitioners use it to treat conditions like cold hands and feet, sluggish digestion, and respiratory infections. Surprising household uses of garlic. Garlic has a range of surprising applications beyond the kitchen and pharmacy. Its potent properties can be harnessed for practical purposes at home. Natural deodorizer. While garlic's smell may seem overpowering, it has the ability to neutralize stronger odors like fish or skunk. Rub crushed garlic on your hands or surfaces to eliminate lingering smells. Insect repellent. Place garlic cloves near windows or doorways to deter mosquitoes, ants, and other insects. You can even use garlic-infused water as a spray for your outdoor gatherings. Mold fighter. Garlic's antifungal properties make it a useful tool for combating household mold. Create a garlic extract and apply it to affected areas to inhibit fungal growth. Cultural symbolism and folklore. Garlic's cultural significance is as diverse as its practical uses. Across history, it has symbolized everything from protection to prosperity. In Mediterranean cultures, garlic braids are hung in homes to ward off evil spirits and bring good luck. In some Slavic traditions, garlic is used in rituals to ensure a bountiful harvest. It is even placed under pillows to promote peaceful sleep and vivid dreams, a testament to its symbolic power in folklore and superstition. Garlic in modern wellness trends. Garlic has recently gained popularity in the wellness community, with proponents advocating for its use in detox diets, immunity-boosting regimens, and even skincare routines. Here are some modern trends highlighting garlic's versatility. Fermented garlic. Black garlic, created by fermenting garlic bulbs at high humidity, has gained a reputation as a superfood. Its sweet, tangy flavor and enhanced antioxidant properties make it a favorite in health-conscious kitchens. Garlic supplements. For those who dislike its strong taste, garlic is available in capsules, oils, and extracts that offer its health benefits, without the pungency. Garlic in beauty products. Beauty brands are beginning to incorporate garlic into products like shampoos and serums, capitalizing on its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties for scalp and skin health. Fun facts about garlic. To add a bit of intrigue to your understanding of garlic, here are some lesser-known facts about this fascinating ingredient. A worldwide favorite, garlic is grown on every continent except Antarctica, making it a global staple. The largest producer of garlic is China, accounting for over 75% of the world's supply. A superstitious clove. In ancient Greece, brides carried garlic in their bouquets to ward off evil spirits. Similarly, in medieval Europe, garlic was placed under children's cribs for protection. Record-breaking garlic. The world's heaviest garlic bulb weighed 2.5 pounds and was grown in 1985 by a Canadian farmer. Garlic recipes to try today. Let's celebrate garlic's culinary brilliance with some easy, delicious recipes you can try at home. 1. Roasted garlic spread. Ingredients: whole garlic bulbs, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Method: slice the tops off the garlic bulbs, drizzle with olive oil, and roast until soft. Spread on bread or mix into mashed potatoes for a rich, savory flavor. 2. Garlic soup. Ingredients: garlic cloves, onions, chicken stock, cream, and thyme. Method: sauté garlic and onions, add stock and thyme, and simmer. Blend until smooth and finish with a swirl of cream for a comforting dish. 3. Garlic honey syrup. Ingredients: garlic cloves and raw honey. Method: submerge peeled garlic cloves in honey and let sit for a few weeks. Use the syrup as a natural cold remedy or a unique addition to salad dressings. Conclusion: a life enhanced by garlic. Garlic's journey from ancient history to modern-day kitchens and medicine cabinets is a testament to its unparalleled value. It embodies the best of what nature has to offer: flavor, nutrition, and healing. Whether you enjoy it raw, roasted, or infused, garlic is a simple yet transformative ingredient that enriches our lives in countless ways. As you peel your next clove of garlic, remember the millennia of history it carries and the multitude of benefits it offers. This humble ingredient is more than just a seasoning. It's a symbol of humanity's enduring connection to the natural world. Thank you for staying with us on this deep dive into the wonders of garlic. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your favorite garlic memories or recipes. Subscribe for more explorations into the amazing world of food, culture, and wellness. See you in the next video.